Christina. I'm a freshly minted Annapolis grad. I'm out on an aircraft carrier. I'm sitting in my bunk and I'm like, wow, this is better comms than I had in my living room in Oklahoma. Is that what I can expect 2 to 3 years from now?
I mean, some of that's happening today.
All
So
right, I love it.
MSC, for instance, so I mean, they're a civilian branch of the Navy, but MSC has wireless on almost all of their ships now. So their folks
Okay.
can access Wi-Fi anywhere in the world.
So two to
While
three years from now, what can we expect?
so I've kind of a good news, bad news story there.
All
One,
right.
we are already in our palm cycle for trying to palm for and
And
realize,
Palm, for those that might not know what
right.
that is.
That's where we program for funds with Congress. So if you're a
Budget
program of record,
formulation. Yeah.
yep, when you're a program of record, you have to tell Congress what you plan to do years before you do it.
Hmm.
And then they have to say, yeah, we'll fund that, or no, we won't.
Okay.
And as we know, Congress and budgets sometimes lag, and that makes innovation really hard.
Hmm.
So what I want to see in 2 to 3 years is a real robust software defined networking infrastructure and fabric. So being able to spin up and spin down software on demand. If I have edge hardware, it shouldn't matter what the brand is. It should only matter what the capability it has. So if I have an Oracle Edge box or Dell or Cisco, I should be able to run whatever software is compatible with the compute that's available there. So for instance, when we talk about like Azure Local or Google Distributed Cloud, we want to be able to spin up and spin down resources on edge nodes, depending on what the mission need is in the moment. So if there's a software that may be compromised or no longer needed, I want to be able to remotely spin that resource down and then spin up new resources or software to access the data or services that are needed for that current mission. So it really, I'm encouraged to hear that what we're talking about doing in the next 2 to 3 years does actually align with where industry wants to go. And I think that's really promising.
Absolutely. As all